So today we are going to solve this limit problem. Firstly, try to analyze what kind of function is this. It is a logarithmic function. क्यों? क्योंकि बेस और एक्सपोनेंट दोनों वेरी कर रहा है. So how to solve this problem? Let the limit of this function be, call it p. Short form of limit LT. Let p equal to this thing. Now take the log of both sides. Log can be taken inside the limit. Now apply the log. Log m raised to the power n equals to n log m. So applying this here, it takes the form of this n log m. अब यहाँ से आगे प्रोसीड कैसे करना है? So now I am going to expand this by using log 1 plus x, and for that a little bit transformation is needed. This thing we can write this as x minus 2 plus 3 upon so we can write this as this. Now it cancels out, it becomes 1. So in place of this it becomes log of 1 plus 3 upon x minus 2. Now use the expansion of log 1 plus x is what? X minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3. So it will keep on. Now expand this. Limit x approaching to infinity to x minus 1, this thing 1 plus x, this is x, so 3 upon x minus 2 minus x square upon 2 plus so on. In the next step we can take 3 upon x minus 2 as common. Three upon x minus 2. So inside the bracket we are left with 1 minus, इसकी पावर 1 कम हो गई, in the next step we will divide numerator as well as denominator by x. So limit x approaching to infinity 3, divide numerator and denominator by x. this thing cancels out, it becomes 1, this also becomes 1. So in place of this we can write 1. Now apply the limit. As x will approach to infinity, 1 by x will become 0, 2 by x will become 0, this term and onwards all the terms will become 0. So what we get, it was 2x minus 1, so 2 will be left out. Now apply the limits. So we are getting 2 minus 0 upon this whole thing is 1, सारे terms 0 हो जाएंगे. So finally we are getting what, 3 to the 6. So this is the value of log p. Then what will be p? P will be e raised to the power 6. So this is the final answer. Do like, share and subscribe.